Hello and welcome back. Real Man's Garage. We're outside today. We want to talk about the V-Copter Mini. If you have somebody else come over with one, so you've got 2 or 3 or more, you all have the exact same controller. And the controller binds to whatever one you turn on. Because the old one bound to the new one. The new one bound to the old one. So what happens if you put them both together? We're going to find out. We're going to start them up side by side right at the same time. What's going to happen? Are they all not going to bind? Is some one going to bind, not another? Are they going to work? Are they not? Let's find out. So first we're going to bind this one to this one. Turn this on and turn this on. And you notice the camera going up and down there for the check. There we are. We're waiting for the green light here. And if we move the gimbal, you can see it moving down and moving up. Okay. Now let's turn this one on and turn this on. The gimbal moves up and down. There we go. Now, does it move up and down? Up and down independently. Very good. Very good. Let's turn them off. So we know that each one will hook up to its own controller if you turn them on at different times. Okay? Now I'm going to try this one with that one. Watch what happens. Just to prove it doesn't matter which controller you use, it's going to control the craft. So this is the new controller with the old craft. And it would work the other way, but we're just going to prove this point here. There we go. If we use this, it works that way. And vice versa. Start this one, turn this on, and we just wait. Waiting for the green light. Green light. This one. See if this operates that. Yes, it does. Up and down. There we go. Okay, turn them off. Now the question is, if I turn both of them on at the same time, here we go. Okay, a different startup tune. Each one going through the cycle there of their gimbals. I'm going to start these at the same time. See what happens. Ready? They're ready to go. Here we go. We have 2 red flashing lights. What's going to happen? One's got a connection, two's got a connection. Which one? This one I think started last. Yep, that's operating that one. That's operating that one. So it must be certain frequencies, depending which one is turned on at the same time. One will take one will take the other. Okay, there we go. Yeah, that's about it. Turn this off. Turn this off. Turn this off. Turn this off. Okay. Now we're going to do it one more time just to be 100% sure on this. Okay. So I'm going to turn them both on. 1, 2, 3, press. One, two, three, press. Almost as the exact same time as I possibly could. See what happens there. This one went last, but it's controlling that one, and this is controlling that one. Okay, now then, if I plug them in, okay, plug them in. And plug them in. Okay, say okay, say okay. And what do we get? Don't get anything on this one. This one we get that one. That operates that one. But this one doesn't connect in. Let's turn this off. Let's go back. Okay, let's plug this one in again. There we go. And we can go up and down. Oh, up and down. There it goes. Look, see? Left, right, left, right. Okay. And we can go up and down, up. A little more glitchy because we're running 105 and this does not like 105. The new ones do not like 105. You can see this, but I can't fly it on 105. This was just a connectivity experiment, and we found out that you can fly two of them at the same time. They're not going to mix the signals. Okay, there we go. But if I put 14 on this one, I wouldn't be able to operate this. Okay, if I put 14 on this, I wouldn't be able to operate that. But right now, I can't take off with this. This one's with this one. See, watch, up and down. Okay, and if I try to start the motors, nothing. Nothing. But on this one, if I try and start the motors, okay, because that's running the old one. If this had the new one on it, it would run that. Okay, that's pretty good. So you can fly a bunch of them. I guess it depends in the order you turn them on, or maybe there's a different signal each one, but this picks up a certain frequency for them. But we know that you don't have to bind them. They're automatically bound somehow. there you go. One little note before I forget. This is the box the new black one came in. Okay, we have the black one in here. Okay, right, the black one. Okay, this is the box it came in. And if you'll notice, there's a black one here. But as I said in my opening, in my last video, I was a little suspicious about what they did. And this is why. Look at this. Look down here. Look what happens if I just go like this. I see a yellow underneath. So it was originally a yellow one and they put a black sticker on, which means all kinds of paranoid things I can think of. Anyway, it's a good one in the relative aspect of good, okay? Considering everything else. We have to do some more testing, see if anything else was on the wish list got addressed. I just thought I'd bring that to you. Okay? Thanks. So there you have it. Definitive proof. Doesn't matter. You can turn them all on as quick as you want. They're all going to find their own independent signal, and it's going to work fine. So, and that's the way it should work. So there you go. You can have a buddy come over with a V-Copter Mini, and you can fly in the backyard or wherever you want to be at the same time. Okay? Hope you enjoyed it. Remember, hit the like, hit the subscribe, ring the bell, buy me a coffee or a hot chocolate. It's getting a little chilly again. Okay? See you next time.